The Justice Department has launched a criminal investigation into former New York Governor Andrew Cuomo over claims he lied to Congress about nursing home deaths during the COVID-19 pandemic. According to the New York Times, the investigation began a month ago under the U.S. Attorney's Office in Washington, D.C., then led by Ed Martin and now headed by Jeanine Pirro. The move comes after the House Oversight Committee, led by Republican Chairman James Comer, formally requested Attorney General Pam Bondi to pursue charges against Cuomo for making criminally false statements in testimony before a House COVID subcommittee. Cuomo, who is now the front-runner in the New York City mayoral race, testified that he had not been involved in the drafting or review of a July 2020 audit that undercounted deaths in the state senior care facilities by 46%. But emails and handwritten edits now in the possession of the DOJ appear to contradict that claim. The alleged deception centers on a controversial March 2020 directive that forced nursing homes to accept COVID-positive patients without testing, a decision that remained in place until May after thousands had died. The final health department report cited just 6,432 deaths, while internal notes show Cuomo was aware of much higher numbers. Cuomo's spokesperson denied any wrongdoing, calling the probe lawfare and election interference. Cuomo himself insists New York followed federal guidance and denies undercounting deaths, blaming political opponents and nursing home advocacy groups for amplifying the allegations. But family advocates who lost loved ones in nursing homes disagree. The wheels of justice are finally beginning to turn, said Vivian Zayas of Voices for Seniors. This investigation is not just justified, it's overdue. Her group sent multiple letters to the DOJ demanding a criminal probe. Jeanine Pirro, the federal prosecutor now overseeing the case, has long been a public critic of Cuomo. In a 2021 broadcast, she accused him of handing seniors a death sentence and said he could face manslaughter charges. The investigation's timing raises eyebrows, coming just one day after Cuomo released a new campaign ad praising his pandemic leadership. In the ad, he claims, "When New Yorkers were desperate for leadership, Andrew Cuomo delivered." But the political fallout is already expanding. Cuomo's primary opponent, Democratic Socialist Zohran Mamdani, called Cuomo's alleged lying no exception to his corruption and deceit. City Comptroller Brad Lander added, "New Yorkers can't afford 4 more years of a compromised mayor kissing Trump's ass." As the federal probe unfolds, questions about Cuomo's handling of the pandemic and his political future are once again front and center. For more stories just like these, be sure to subscribe to the New York Post right here on YouTube.